Hey everyone, today I'm taking a quick look at the Evo Global Travel Adapter. Now it says travel adapter, it doesn't actually adapt to anything. What it is it's actually a dual USB fast charger with the correct pins for over 150 countries. So let's get this open and see what it looks like. Whoa, okay, so there it is. It's on the side here. It's actually packaged in this nice black foam, which is really good. It protects it quite well. It's quite soft. Actually, no, it's actually quite hard. But yeah, it's quite well protected in this foam. So that's the actual adapter there, or the actual charger. It is quite small. Yes, it is definitely pocketable. And it does have dual USB-A ports on the side here. And this end is the multi-country or the adapter side, I guess. So it has the prongs for the standard US socket. It has the EU or the European socket here, and it also has the prongs for Australia. So if you could tilt these, there you go, US and China. It works there as well. Now, even in this configuration, you are able to actually retract it. So even if they're tilted, you can still slide it back in, which is really nice. Now, there is also an adapter for the UK. So down here, there is a plastic ground prong, I guess. And what you do is you slide out the EU, and then down here there's a slot here, and you can actually slide this in. And then once you slide it in, you have your UK configuration. Now I know the UK one, they have like rectangular shaped pins, but I guess in this case the rounded ones will still fit and it will still go in, which is pretty cool. So take this out, it's a bit hard, but there you go. So it does come back out. And then you can put it back into the slot down here. So let's take a look at the documentation they provide as well. So it does just come with one piece of paper. And it does show you all the configurations it has. So the US, British standard, European standard, and Australian standard. And since we are in Australia, what I'll do is let's test this and see what happens. Alright, so I have some sockets right here, and then I have the adapter, and I also have a USB cable. So this is USB-C cable, and I happen to have a phone. So this is a Pixel 3, and we'll see if this charges properly. So let's get everything plugged in. So we'll start with this thing. Let's get the USB plugged into this. So there we go, and let's make sure that we extend, that's the word I'm looking for, extend the Australian prongs, and then we'll plug it in. Okay, so far, nothing has exploded, which is a good sign. So now I am going to plug in my Pixel 3. Hopefully, everything goes well. Alright, okay, it says, charging slowly. That's not cool. So, oh, there we go. So now it says charging. So it doesn't say charging rapidly. So that means this particular travel adapter or this particular charger doesn't do the rapid charging or the fast charging that we're all used to. This just means that it's doing regular AC charging, which is still okay. At least it's not charging slowly. So if it says charging slowly, it means it's just USB powered. So don't expect the super fast charging that we're used to, but it does do the AC kind of level of charging. So while that's charging, let's take a look at the specifications on the back here. So it does say input 100 to 240 volts. So that does mean it will work basically, anywhere in the world. The output, it says 2.4 amps max. So across the two ports, you can draw, about 2.4 amps. And you can use two ports at the same time, which is really nice. And the weight, 50 grams, dimensions, is really small. So yeah, that's my quick look at the global travel adapter, or it's actually just a global phone charger, I guess. So yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope this was useful.